All right, we're trying this again. That's simple. Here we go. $17.27. Here we go. 27. Let's check the targets. All right, this time we got, that shadow. 3 A's, 3 C's. Pretty simple. Here we got, all A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 A's. Wow, okay. Well, I can feel good about that. Again, 17.27. And let's see, yeah, all A's. Look at that again. Okay, so 12 shots, we got 9 A's, 9 A's, and 3 C's. 17.27. That's better than I expected.